Learning uses creativity. Creativity leads you thinking. Thinking provides you knowledge, and knowledge makes you create. Amazing words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Hello. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Team building is equals to success. Well, today at Nagarjuna College of Management Studies conducting outbound training, team building activities for MBA students to prove their unity. So why late? Let's get started.
Today we have Mr. Ramani Venkat sir, founder and trainer of Business Diagnostics, and he is today's resource person for all the outbound events. Thank you for conducting all these events, sir. So what is the purpose of conducting all these outbound events?
Outbound training basically brings about an overall development in people or students, again, whether it depends upon whom you are training at. It makes them understand it's not only subjects. Business or leadership is all about bringing in communication, team building, realizing that the team is as good as the weakest link, understanding the importance of targets and the likes of it. So this brings about an overall development in people. At least sowing seeds happens, especially in these kind of trainings.
So how is students' interaction and involvement in all the events?
When they started it was full of josh. The josh was very high. Then towards the end they realized that only josh is not going to give them results. So that's when the host part kicked in. First few games were basically these activities are a mixture of physical endurance, planning, strategy, tactics and the likes of it. So they were predominantly attacking a task from the host element or the energy level of it or the team spirit of it or the physical part of it. Then they slowly realized that even a lot of planning can go into these activities. So now they have realized that probably with the few remaining games that's active, that's there, they will put to the boardroom tactics also will come into play. So that's what we are expecting now.
Thank you so much, sir.
We have Professor Suman sir with us.
From Nagarjuna College of Management Studies, we are organizing outbound training, outbound activities for MBA students. And I am very happy that I am also a part of this outbound activity. This gives a very good insight for all our students to know the management concepts, how we can make the strategies, forecasting, collaboration. More importantly, we are aiming to have some kind of team activities, how they will mingle with each other and how exactly whatever they are learning inside the classroom, the management concepts, the same thing can be pragmatically applied outside world. So this is a small activity which gives us the roadmap of how we can groom our students in the right direction. Thank you.
Well, now we have Sindhu ma'am with us. Come, let us have some more information about this training. Ma'am, what is your opinion about outbound training?
Outbound trainings are usually are conducted to build a team, and teamwork is all about building trust between each other, which is more important for the future managers.
Ma'am, then how is the response of students to the resource person's ideas, thoughts or something like that?
Yeah, students are actively participating and they are gaining knowledge, practical knowledge, and they are enjoying as well. I want to thank Mr. Ramani Venkat sir for having a wonderful session. It was brainstorming session for the students, and the teacher faculties also enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಬನ್ನಿ ಈವೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಿಂದ?
ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅವರು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಸಂದೀಪ ಕೆಟಿ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂಥರ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಊಹೆಗೂ ಮೀರಿ ಒಂಥರ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ಈ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬರೀ ಬುಕ್ಸು, ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸು, ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಗೇಮ್ಸು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I just want to tell one thing to the students. Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. So work together and be successful in your life.
He can talk for himself. Yeah, that's the problem which I'm asking him. Why is the captain not talking for himself? Captain ke liye why others should talk? Whom are you firing? Why? So if somebody is
Well, this was the complete clip of Outbound training. Hope everyone enjoyed a lot and gained much more information in all the activities which they have participated. This is me signing off. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka Mate.